Hello my friends and welcome to this new hands-on tutorial on how to set up a billing alarm so that we get notified whenever our estimated charges exceed a certain threshold. Okay, so here we go. Very important, let's make sure we are in the same North Virginia US East 1 region because that's where we can set up a billing alarm. So now that we are in US East 1, our next step will be to go to the top right here. By the way, here you have different informations like your account ID, your account name, the days remaining of your free tier, and our next step will be to go to billing and cost management because this is how we can activate the billing alarm. Great, then in the left hand panel we're going to scroll down a bit and we're going to go to billing preferences. And there we go. This is where we're going to activate some features like the PDF invoices delivered to you by email. That's quite important. So let's click edit here. Let's check this, click update, and there we go. Now we'll have the PDF invoices delivered to our email. Then same for the alert preferences. That's important for the billing alarm. We'll choose to activate the AWS Free Tier alerts as well as the CloudWatch billing alerts because it is actually in the CloudWatch that we will set up the billing alarm. So we click edit here. Then we check this and this, and we click update. Perfect. First step done, and now our next step will be to create the billing alarm. And as I've just said, we do that in the CloudWatch service. Here it is, CloudWatch to monitor resources and applications. Welcome to the CloudWatch console in the US East 1 region. And then in the left-hand panel, we're going to click alarms here. Perfect. Then we're going to click create alarm either here or here. Create alarm. Then we're going to select a metric. And of course, for the billing alarm, it's going to be one of the two billing metrics here. So we're going to click billing here. And since we don't want to monitor our charges for a specific service, but the whole estimated charge of our account, well, we're going to click total estimated charge here. Okay, perfect. Then USD, yes. And finally, at the bottom right, we're going to click select metric. So here there'll be the graph of your estimated charges over time. You can keep the configuration here as the maximum and over a period of 6 hours. What will be important will be to choose the threshold here, the threshold amount. Indeed, the threshold type has to be static. We will use a value as a threshold so that whenever the estimated charges of our account is greater, or you could even choose greater or equal, than a certain threshold value, which we can choose to be, for example, $10, unless you really don't want to spend anything and you could choose $1, but usually I choose $10, well, we will be notified by email, okay? So there we go, then we click next, and then we have to create an SNS topic so that we can get the email notifications. But there we go, the next step here is to create a new topic, which we can call the default CloudWatch alarms topic, and here we enter the email endpoint, meaning the email address to which we will receive the email notifications, okay? So I'm gonna use the same email that I just created. Here it is, cloudofAWS2026@gmail.com. Feel free to enter your email, and then we click create topic. Okay, perfect. The topic is now created, good. So we can select that existing topic we just created. We scroll down, we click next. We give a name to our alarm, which can be billing alarm, perfect, and we click next again. Here, this is just a review page to preview and create. So we scroll down and we click create alarm. Okay, good, but not quite finished. There is one thing we need to do, which is to confirm the subscription in SNS, which is another AWS service. And so here, I'm going to enter in the search bar SNS. I'm going to open simple notification service. As you see, it's a notification service in a new tab. And you will see that that's where we will confirm, there you go, the topic we just created along with the subscription, okay? So actually what we need to confirm is the subscription, so I'm gonna click here, subscriptions. There you go, as you can see, pending confirmation. So you select it and you click very simply, confirm subscription. Enter the subscription confirmation URL, you will find that in your email. It might be in your spams, there we go. AWS notification subscription confirmation, and finally you click confirm subscription. Subscription confirmed, perfect, and then you can take the URL if you want and back into your subscriptions, you paste it here and you click confirm subscription. Subscription was confirmed successfully, perfect, and now indeed if we refresh we should see the status as confirmed, and there we go, you have set up successfully your billing alarm. Perfect, so now we're super safe, we can move on to the next hands-on tutorials, and until then, enjoy the cloud.